Imagine reaching space without rockets, no deafening explosions, no massive fuel tanks, just stepping into an elevator and rising straight into the sky. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you this idea isn't science fiction anymore and could completely rewrite humanity's relationship with space? Stay till the end, because the future of space travel might not launch upward, it might climb. For decades, rockets have been our only gateway to space. Powerful, expensive, and dangerous. Every launch burns massive amounts of fuel, most of it just to escape Earth's gravity. But what if gravity itself could be overcome without fighting it? Enter the idea of the space elevator, one of the boldest engineering concepts ever imagined. The concept was first popularized by visionary thinkers like Arthur C. Clarke, who described a structure stretching from Earth's surface all the way into space. A cable anchored at the equator, extending beyond geostationary orbit, with a counterweight holding it in tension. Along this cable, robotic climbers, or even humans, could ascend into orbit using electricity instead of rocket fuel. No explosions, no extreme G-forces, just a smooth, controlled journey into space. So why does this matter? Because cost is the biggest barrier to space exploration. Today, launching a single kilogram into orbit costs thousands of dollars. A space elevator could slash that cost by over 90%. That changes everything. Satellites could be deployed cheaply, space stations could be expanded easily, massive telescopes could be built in orbit, and ordinary humans, not just trained astronauts, could travel to space. This is why organizations like NASA and global research institutes continue to study materials and physics that could make space elevators possible. But here's the challenge. To build a space elevator, we need a material stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum, and capable of supporting its own weight over 36,000 kilometers. That's where advanced materials come in. Scientists are exploring carbon nanotubes, graphene composites, and futuristic molecular chains that could provide the necessary strength. While we're not there yet, every breakthrough in nanotechnology brings the idea closer to reality, and the benefits go far beyond Earth orbit. Once payloads reach space cheaply, missions to the Moon, Mars, and asteroids become easier and more sustainable. Space elevators could enable space manufacturing, solar power satellites, and even planetary defense systems. Imagine capturing solar energy in orbit, without atmospheric loss, and sending clean power back to Earth. Imagine asteroid mining becoming economically viable. Imagine building spacecraft in space instead of launching them from the ground. But what about safety? Critics point to space debris, weather risks, and structural stress. And yes, those are real concerns. But so were airplanes, skyscrapers, and nuclear reactors, until engineering caught up with imagination. Every revolutionary technology begins as an impossible idea. The first rockets were considered impractical. Reusable rockets were laughed at. Yet today, they're landing vertically on Earth. A space elevator represents the next leap, not incremental but transformational. It would mark the moment humanity stops throwing itself into space and starts traveling there with intention. And there's something even deeper at stake. Space elevators aren't just about transportation. They symbolize a shift in mindset, from survival to expansion, from exploration as risk to exploration as routine. If humanity wants to become a spacefaring civilization, we must make space accessible, affordable, and sustainable. And when that day comes, the most important journey in human history may begin, not with a launch countdown, but with the quiet hum of an elevator rising into the sky. So the question isn't if space elevators will change the future, it's when, and when they do. Space will no longer be the final frontier, it will be our next neighborhood. If this idea blew your mind, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who still thinks rockets are the only way to reach the stars. Because the future of space travel might already be under construction. Subscribe, like, and comment.